न च मत्स्थानि भूतानि पश्य मे योगम ऐश्वरम भूतभृन्न च भूतस्थो मम आत्मा भूतभावनः. Hello friends, this is the fifth shlok of the ninth chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and today we will understand this shlok in detail. So let's first go over its meaning. So the shlok says, Nacha matsthani bhutani, which means, and not the being situated from me, pashyame yogam ashwaram, which means sees my yogic splendor, bhutabhrinnachan bhutastho, which means holder of beings and not situated in beings, Mama Atma Bhuta Bhavana, which means myself is the cause of existence of beings. So, in this shlok, Sri Krishna is clarifying that because all the beings are situated in Him, therefore beings are not able to see His splendor of yoga. The point that Sri Krishna adds after that is that He is the one who is the holder of all the beings, and he is not situated in the beings, but he is the one who is the cause of the existence of all beings. So in the previous shlok itself we discussed this idea a little bit, that the divinity is something which is present in all beings, therefore all beings are divine, but divinity is not limited to any one particular being. So that is being emphasized more over here by Shri Krishna, wherein he is saying that because all the beings are situated in me, therefore they are not able to see my splendor. That is because all the beings, they take this existence for granted. It's basically like all of us, we take all this existence, all this creation that we see around us to be taken for granted. We just say, yeah, this has just come randomly out of somewhere, and this is how it is. We never really pay much attention and try to understand why this existence is there, what is existence is there, what is my place in this existence. We don't really do that. We just assume that this is how it is and I have come in this world and I have to live my life. We don't pay much attention to it. So that is what Shri Krishna is saying over here, that since all the beings are situated in me, therefore they are not able to see me. Seeing Sri Krishna, seeing the divinity is very, very easy. It's just right in front of us. We are all completely absorbed in it. But because it's so obvious, therefore we do not pay attention to it. We just take it for granted. We never really pay attention to it. So it's basically just like watching a movie. Movie is playing on a screen, and the screen is right in front of us, but we never really see the screen. All we see are the events that are happening in the movie. So similarly, divinity is right there in front of you. It is so obvious. It's so obvious in front of you right there. I mean, this existence, what is it? Why is it here? What is the source of it? Or my existence in itself, like the deepest core of my being is divinity. That is divine. It's right in front of us, but we don't really pay attention to it because it's something which is so easy to see that we never really pay attention. We just take it for granted and move on. So that is what Shri Krishna is saying over here, that all the beings are situated in me, but because of that itself they are not able to see me. I am the one who is the holder of them. I am the one who is sustaining them. I am the one who is the source of them, but they are not able to see me because they are all completely absorbed. They take it for granted. It's just like when a fish is in water, it just takes water for granted. It just says that water is there. So that's what happens to us also. So that is what Shri Krishna mentioned in this shlok. I hope that I have explained this shlok well to you. With that, I'll close this video. I will see you all in the next video. Take care.